Alright, 100 Spartans sanibulisa futhi nonke babukele emakhaya. Lapho sikhona phansi eWitbank emalahleni sinaye uMr Fernando emabaleni waseRondebelt. Umphathi waseRondebelt dona umunye wa management since namhlanje kune program ekhona uhlangane iRondebelt nabantu be-community ne-NYDA. Mr Fernando kunjani?
Ngikhona njani wena?
Siyaphila. Man, si-100 Spartans ungachazela nje ababukele emakhaya ukuthi ubani bese uyasho ne-role yakho mhlambe oyidlalayo lana eRondebelt, then we'll take it from there.
Mina igama lami uFernando Sibongo Samakasimende, ngihlala la emphakathini eseComdry.
Yes.
Ngisebenza la eRondebelt.
Yes.
As a part of the management on the Rondebelt.
Yes.
Then we are taking responsibility sometimes makuna terms and conditions izinto zasemakhaya.
Yes.
Sometimes siyanceda kakhulu la eRondebelt.
Yes.
Lisinceda ngendlela iso. Makushoniwe somewhere simo masingasi right siyakhona thina ukuthi sibancede.
Yes.
So izinto eziningi sizenza kuvelela eRondebelt. Everyone on the part of the community sometimes mabadinga izinto bayeza khona la eRondebelt sibasize.
Alright.
La khona asisho ukuthi siza yonke into.
Yes.
But the part of what we can play is a part of Rondebelt, showing good no nasi emphakathini. On behalf of Rondebelt we are doing something.
Alright. Mr Fernando, can you tell me ukuthi kuze namhlanje kube na this program ekhona lana yini aim ya this program?
Aim ya this program is about ukuthi siphakamise babantwana bakithi asho bobhuti nabo sesi. We want to improve them ukuthi bangayonzinza bangabi nolwazi ukuthi kusasa what is impumelelo yakhona.
Yes.
That's why we organize this program ukuthi kube khona that you can say tomorrow they will benefit the certificate where they can be allowed ukuthi bayofuna umsebenzi.
All right. I know yezwakala because I understand ukuthi even nalast corner lana iyard le truck stop futhi yibo abomse Khumalo. Ngicela ukubuza one thing Mr la eRondebelt nama yards ayingakho nini eRondebelt?
Currently now ngasho ukuthi mayard akhona i7, but we still have more yards.
Yes.
That's the only things there we don't have more bantu lebezako.
Yes.
So they are still applying for the other people to come for the yard.
Yes.
But in the meantime the yard la wasebenzako i7 there.
Okay, but ona akhona for abantu abafuna uku-apply.
Yes.
Ngeke ba-apply abantu bahliza abenzinet.
Khona lo one namhlanje uzile lana ngimnikeze contract, so we look after that.
Yes.
So makabhatalile siyamnikeza le charity.
All right.
So my charity currently what the outstanding I think we got 4.
All right.
That we need more attendance come in.
Yes.
Singone ku implement ukuthi at least cashina laba ngaphandle bakhona kuphika lamalahla baphika wona.
Okay.
Ile ndlela sizama ukuthi iRondebelt incede umphakathi nakhona.
All right. Manje ngokuya ngawo iNYDA izonceda kanjani lana? Izonisiza kangakanani lana ngale program le?
NYD ilana kusazisa ukuthi what is the best what to do in life.
Train abantu, yes.
Siyazi kahle ukuthi okay if you want to start your own business,
yes,
ungayenza ngaphi indlela where you gonna end of the day knowing what you are doing.
Yes.
So the more they are there inside of the school then the class they will learn more better. Then bazoba nelwazi lolukhulu kakhulu. Ngiyo that's why sibize ukuthi izelana isifundise ngalendlela leyo.
Okay, ngoba futhi bhuti omkhulu abanye abantu abazi ukuthi bangaxhumana nawe kanjani bangahlangana nawe kanjani. Ngiyezwa ukhuluma indaba zokuthi you need more people to apply for ama-yard nani then bakuthola kanjani wena bhuti omkhulu?
Mina bonke abantu bayangazi ezingihlala eComdry.
Yes.
So mawunganayo inamba yami uyeze egedini mawufika egedini ukuthi no ngicela uMr Fernando.
Yes.
The good communication nami bayongifonela bangitshela ukuthi kunebantu egedini.
Yes.
Ngize lapha egedini and then I'll assist them then we go to the office.
Yes.
Sihlala phansi ngilalele into bayifuna yona. Ngiyayithatha ngimikise umphathi wami lomkhulu kimi. Indlela ngisebenza ngayo.
Ngiyengeza ba mention even ama-parcels for abantu abathini namhlanje. Is there something mhlawumbe ufuna uku-mention ngama-parcels?
Ma-parcel ezisicaza ukuthi if fika isikhathi.
Yes.
We are going now for Good Friday.
Yes.
Umuntu mabenza lana ukuthi no sicela nisize ngalendlela lena.
Yes.
Masingakhona ukusiza siyasiza.
Yes.
But masingakhona ukusiza siyacaza nathi no thina siphelela ngapha asiyi ngapha.
Okay.
So that's the way sinceda umphakathi ngakhona.
All right. No siyathemba ukuthi iRondebelt njengoba ivelile nayo yaziveze